first of this video, a little update. You may remember that I installed LED headlights and DRLs, daytime running lights. Everything went well. They're still working and they're absolutely fine. The only issue I have is with the DRLs. Now, this isn't a true reflection of the flicker, this is the camera, but mine occasionally blink and it drives me mad. Now, when you turn the key on your ignition and start your vehicle, right front door's open, we know that. And then it says check daytime running lights. And also down in the bottom corner there, well, not in the corner, but here, you get a yellow triangle come up. And that is basically telling you that there's a little fault, in this case, with the DRLs. And here they are, error-free, flicker-free LED canvas diodes. So let's get those fitted and see if it makes any difference. I've already got the headlight out because I've just completed, this video's on the back of the cam belt job, and I'm still putting stuff back together. I'll put a picture up anytime now of where I got these from and where you can find them, if they're any good, of course. But basically, it's an extension of what you've already got in there. This is your new bulb holder, which your bulb will go in, and this will go into the control box inside. So if we take this out here, the DRL is that one there that I've got my finger on. Yeah, the bottom one, if the light's up the right way. So we need to twist it out and pull the LED unit out. Take the bulb out of there, plug one of these into there. My biggest concern is how the hell I'm going to hide all that inside that box. And then we put the DRL, he says, there you go. Got to say, doesn't feel like a very snug fit to me. Oh, it's better. Right, DRL in there. Somehow lose that dirty great big resistor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the bulb in first. All right. There you go. It's gone in, bit of fiddly pokery, and then we are literally just going to sit that, I believe, in there like that. Refit your dust cover. I think it'll be very awkward, if at all possible, to do it in the vehicle. And that puts the DRL back inside. So let's put it on the van and see what happens. Okay, slot your light unit back in. There's two little locators underneath which you've got to get in like that, and then it just pulls forward and slots in. Happy days. And then there's only two fixings. That one, can you see that? Yeah, that one there goes in there like so. And then your big fella, which I'm doing on a, I think it's a T4 Torx. I don't use the plastic top because you can snap these off. So get yourself a little T4, and that slides up just in that top right hand corner. Hasn't got to be mega tight. This is a T4 as well. Right, and then your little yellow, it's not yellow, is it? God help me, it's green. Right, your little green connector, just pop, there you go. Don't force it, said the actress to the bishop. There you go. Pop that in and close it up. I'm going to check whether it's working or not, and then I'm going to do the other side. Okay, to sum up this video, after fitting these, and I will definitely show you another link or picture of these on eBay. The yellow triangle went out for a little while and I thought, oh, happy days. But when I fitted the second one, the right hand headlight DRL didn't work. So I messed about, took it out, and I thought I'm just going to check the first one to make sure it's all right. And I'll tell you what, this was red hot. And I mean, I couldn't hold on to it. That's how hot it got in a matter of 2 or 3 minutes. So I've decided to take them out, and I'll just suffer the occasional blink for now till I can maybe look at another solution. But I thought these could be a severe fire hazard, and I don't want those tucked up with all the wiring to the rest of my headlights when they're getting that hot. Absolutely crazy. Make of that what you will, but something to be aware of if you're thinking of fitting these. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps you out.